Are you looking to start building credit or improve your credit rating? If your answer is yes, then watch how Dotcom lessons will help you improve your credit score. For starters, we provide you with an unsecured credit line. This means you can sign up today without spending any money. We simply approve your account to help you start building your credit immediately. You don't need to worry if you have bad credit or no credit at all. Our program is designed to help you start building a good credit history. Here's how it works. First, we give you a credit line today of up to $2,000. Next, you can use your credit to take any of the online courses or purchase any products that are available on Dotcom Lessons. Last, you simply agree to a low monthly payment to pay off your purchases that will help you establish a good payment history. Pretty simple and easy, right? All you have to do is click the Start Now button, and within minutes, be on your way to establishing excellent credit. No need to delay. Start building your credit today.